Okay, let's start with a cockpit preparation checklist.
Batteries.
Both on.
Electrical power.
And the external power is on.
Navigation lights.
On.
Engine master.
Both off.
Engine mode selector.
Check normal.
Landing gear lever.
Checked.
Parking brake.
Off.
Flaps.
Check position.
Speed brake lever.
Check retracted.
Thrust levers.
Idle.
Transponder mode.
Checked standby.
Radio control panel.
On.
ECAM recall.
Checked.
Anti-skid.
On.
Flight director.
On.
Emergency lights.
Checked and armed.
No smoking signs.
Set on.
Anti-ice.
Off.
Probe window heat.
Auto.
Air condition.
Checked.
Ventilation panel.
Is checked.
Electric panel.
Checked.
Fuel pumps.
On.
Hydraulics.
Is checked.
Anti-brake pressure.
Checked.
Ground proximity warning system.
On.
Electronic flight control system.
On.
Adheres.
Checked.
Emergency equipment.
Is checked.
Checklist complete.
Cactus 225 are ready to taxi. Cactus 225 are ready to runway 22 right, taxi via Echo, Alpha, November, cross runway 15 right, hold short, runway 15 left. 22 right, Echo, Alpha, November, clear cross 15 right, hold short of 15 left, Cactus 225. 9537 is clearing here at Echo for gate Alpha 6. United 537, Echo straight into the gate. Echo straight into the gate. 225, turn right at Echo 2, join Kilo, Kilo Alpha November, same hold short instructions. Roger, Echo 2, Kilo November, Cactus, Alpha November, Cactus 225. You're 3187, give way to United, and then turn left on Alpha, taxi via Alpha, Lima, runway 15 right, hold short of November.
Alright, give away to United, we'll go Alpha Lima, and then on the 15 right, short of November, Brickyard 31.
Captain, the cabin is secure. All passengers are aboard.
Okay, let's do the before start checklist.
Windows and doors.
Closed and locked.
APU.
Lufthansa 423 Heavy, request taxi. Lufthansa 423 Heavy, Monster ground, roger.
Set on.
Runway 22
APU
left,
bleed.
taxi via Lima, Bravo, November, cross runway 15 right, hold short, runway 15 left. Lufthansa 423 Heavy, 4 runway 22 left via Lima, Bravo, November, cross runway 15 right and 15 left. Just 849 Boston ground, taxi via Bravo, Alpha 1. Oh, Alpha 1, thank you, 849. Lufthansa 423 Heavy, cross runway 15 right, hold short, runway 15 left. We confirm, crossing runway 15 right, hold short runway 15 left, Lufthansa 423, and just to be sure, we don't need to contact ramp here, right? That is correct. Care 22, cross runway 15 left, monitor tower 128.8, good day.
Good 22, cross 15 left, tower 28.8, good day.
JetBlue 633, cross runway 15 left, hold short.
Set on.
Right.
External power.
15 left, short of 22 right, JetBlue 1, JetBlue 633. American 1852, as you make the left turn, give way to the second U.S. Airways, it's an Airbus.
Disconnected and off.
Roger,
Cabin signs.
On.
Thrust levers.
Idle.
That would be
Set on.
Barrel reference.
thanks.
JetBlue, Airbus, understand you're ready to tow, stand by.
Set. 1014.
33, monitor tower 128.8, enjoy your day.
Check. Beacon lights.
Thank you.
On.
Checklist complete.
At 3187, did you make the right on the Zulu, give way to Lufthansa?
Alright, when they make the right on Zulu, we'll give way to the 74, Brickyard 3187.
climbing 14,000, hello. X225, cross runway 15 left, monitor tower now 128.8. Enjoy your day, guys. Clear cross 15 left, and we'll switch, Cactus. 225, good day. Thanks. Air 149, Boston ground, straight into the ramp, good day. American 2016, Boston ground, turn right on Alpha to your gate. What is your gate? Alpha to Bravo 28, American 2016. Thank you very much. JetBlue Airbus tow via Bravo, I'm sorry, make it Quebec and Bravo. Get back in Bravo for JetBlue Airbus. Good day. Good day to you. Ground, such as A49. A49, I'm sorry. Give way to the opposite direction, 7-4. They turned out of your way there in November. Okay, no problem. A49. It's hard to miss, right? I figured. He's bigger than us. Hey. Lufthansa 423 Heavy, please confirm we are still clear to cross 15 right. Lufthansa 423 Heavy, affirmative. Thanks. Here, 3187, look for dash 8 right to left.
Fly deck to ground.
Runway 22 right, taxi via November, cross runway 15 left.
Okay, ground, we have ATC clearance. Push and start now. Please confirm ground equipment and services are clear.
Roger. The ground equipment and stairs are clear, all doors are closed. Steering pin is in position and we're ready when you are, Captain.
Start pushback.
Lufthansa 423 Heavy, cross runway 15 left.
Roger, sir. Please release the parking brakes.
Lufthansa 423 Heavy,
Parking brakes released.
right.
Start and push back. You can start both engines at your discretion,
Have a
Captain.
nice evening.
It is okay.
Lufthansa 423 Heavy, 12.8. 128.0 confirm. Yes, sir. Hold short runway 22 right and monitor tower 128.8. Good day. Lufthansa 423 Heavy, 1288. Good day.
Starting engine 2.
JetBlue Airbus, give way to American at Kilo. Give way to American at Kilo for JetBlue Airbus.
Engine 2 is stabilized.
Starting number 1.
Look around, American 1142, crossing Kilo for Bravo 36. American 1142, Oscar, taxi via Alpha, your second right turn. Second right turn, Alpha, American 1142.
Engine 1 stabilized.
And pushback is complete, Captain.
Parking
Please
brakes
set your
are set.
Parking brakes. Okay then, Captain. Tow bar disconnected. Your no steering pin is removed. All clear. Signal on the right. Have a good run, sir.
The after start checklist, please.
Engine mode selector.
3687, cross runway 15 left, monitor tower 128.8.
Set.
Enjoy your evening.
APU bleed.
Okay, we'll cross 15 left, we'll start at 6672. Here, 3187, monitor tower 128.8.
Set off.
Good night now.
APU master.
Set off.
Ground spoilers.
Checked and armed.
Rudder trim.
Checked 0.
Pitch trim.
Checked.
Flight controls.
22 Oscar ground, give way to an inbound Virgin America. Then runway 22 right, taxi via Bravo.
Full left.
November. Cross runway 15 right, hold short, runway 15 left.
Full right. Neutral. Full up. Full down. Neutral.
Rudder.
Full left. Full right. Neutral.
Check.
Flaps 2.
Anti-ice.
Off.
ECAM status.
Checked.
ECAM door page.
Checked.
Hand signal.
Received.
Checklist complete.
JetBlue Airbus Oscar ground.
Get the reposition from Charlie 26 to South Cargo, please.
JetBlue Airbus push back advisory to south.
Push and advise for JetBlue Airbus. Runway 633 taxi.
JetBlue 633, runway 22 left. Taxi via Alpha November, cross runway 15 right, hold short, runway 15 left.
Still left via Alpha November, cross 15 right, short of 15 left, JetBlue 633.
JetBlue 633 at Bravo, give way to a twin Cessna, please.
Bravo, give way
And
to
the taxiing checklist.
22, you see a JetBlue off your left, and
No slide.
November gives way to you.
Taxi.
Brake check.
Ground cactus 225 are ready to taxi.
Pedal pressed. Check 0.
225, ready to runway
Check.
22 right,
Auto
taxi
brakes.
via Echo, Alpha, November, cross runway 15 right, hold short, runway 15 left.
22 right, Echo Alpha November.
Max.
Takeoff data.
15 right, hold short of
Reviewed.
15 left. Cactus
FCU.
Checked.
Flight
And
instruments.
537
Checked.
Clearing
Checked.
here at Echo for
TO
gate Alpha
config.
6. United 537.
Set.
Echo straight into the gate.
Checklist complete.
Echo straight into the gate. 225, turn right at Echo 2, join Kilo, Kilo Alpha November, same hold short instructions.
Roger, Echo 2, Kilo November, Cactus, Alpha November, Cactus 225.
You're 3187, give way to United, and then turn left on Alpha, taxi via Alpha, Lima, runway 15 right, hold short of November.
Alright, give over.
From the 423, and just to be sure, we don't need to contact REMP here, right?
This is correct, here 22, cross runway 15 left, Monmouth Tower 12818, good day. Ship with 630 feet, cross runway 15 left, hold short, runway 22 right.
15 left, started 50 right, that's the one.
1852, as you make the left turn, get with the second U.S. Airways, it's an Airbus. 2016, Boston ground, turn right on Alpha to your gate. What is your gate?
Alpha to Bravo 28, American 2016.
Thank you very much. JetBlue Airbus, tow via Bravo, I'm sorry, make it Quebec and Bravo.
Get back in Bravo for JetBlue Airbus, please.
Good day to you.
Approaching 01.
Ground, so just say 49.
Say 49, I'm sorry, give way to the opposite direction, 74. They turned out of your way there in November.
Okay, no problem, say 49.
It's hard to miss, right?
I figured, he's bigger than us.
Flight attendants, seats for takeoff, please. Before takeoff checklist, please.
Brake temperature.
Checked.
Brake fans.
Off.
Engine mode selector.
Check normal.
TCAS.
TARA, tilt above.
Exterior lights.
Direct, Echo Alpha November, front 15 right, first 15 left, percent.
Set on.
Sliding tables.
Stowed.
Stowed. Checklist complete.
Lufthansa 423 Heavy, please confirm we are still clear to cross 15 right.
Lufthansa 423 Heavy, affirmative.
Thanks.
Here 3187, look for dash 8 right to left there at November, then runway 22 right, taxi via November, cross runway 15 left.
Alright, follow the dash, November, cross 15 left, Richard, 3187.
Lufthansa 423 Heavy, cross runway 15 left, hold short, runway 22 right.
Lufthansa 423 Heavy, crossing 15 left, hold short 22 right.
Lufthansa 423 Heavy, monitor tower now 128.8, have a nice evening.
Lufthansa 423 Heavy, 12.8. 128.0, confirm.
Yes sir, hold short, runway 22 right, and monitor tower 128.8, good day.
Lufthansa 423 Heavy, 1288, good day.
On runway
Airbus, give way to American at Kilo.
01.
Give way to American at Kilo for JetBlue Airbus.
Takeoff. Man flex, SRS, and runway.
Check. Power set. 100 knots.
Checked.
Rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Nav.
Check.
Autopilot is going on.
Gears up. Lights off.
Flaps 1.
Speed check. Flaps 1.
Climb thrust. Flap 0.
Speed check. Flaps 0.
And the after takeoff checklist, please.
Engine mode selector.
Check normal.
Spoilers.
Disarmed.
Flaps.
Check retracted.
Landing gear.
Gear up. Lights off.
Exterior lights.
Checked.
Packs.
Both on.
Anti-ice.
Off.
TCAS.
Checked.
Multimeter.
1014.
1014. Check. Checklist complete.
set and cross-check.
Check.
through the descent preparation checklist.
Seatbelt signs.
On.
Anti-ice.
Off.
Landing information.
Received.
Altimeter.
Standard.
Error radio.
Checked.
Checklist complete.
Initiating descent.
FMA check.
Radar tilt.
Set to go.
and cross-check. 1022. Lights on. Checklist. Checked. Stowed.
Cabin signs.
Checked. 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 1022.
Check. Check is complete.
flaps full, please.
Check, flaps full.
Go, cleared ILS 19 center approach. Cleared ILS 19 center approach, number 36.
Stall bouncy here, 7,000.
Meter 5017, Potomac approach, roger, runway.
Auto flight off.
Hello, Potomac, we're off unit 24 now.
They're 260 off, 2,500. Roger. Stall altimeter 2986.
600 for you're off unit.
Baseline 645, maintain 180 knots or greater to Donaldson, contact Dulles Tower 120.1.
Landing checklist, please.
Okay, 180 to Donaldson and
Landing
Tower
here.
120.19.
Down and off. 3 green.
Ground spoilers.
Checked and armed.
Auto brakes.
Medium.
Exterior lights.
On.
Go around altitude.
Set.
Landing memo.
Checked and no blue.
Checklist complete.
Number 3630, contact Dulles Tower 134.42.
Approaching 1-3 right.
500.
Meter 5017, descend to maintain 4,000.
I'm 4,000.
400. 300. 200. 100. Minimum 70,
Continue.
60, 50, 40, 30, 20. Retard, retard.
Ground spoilers. Reverse screen. knots.
November, cross runway 15 right, hold short, runway 15 left.
And the after landing checklist, please.
Exterior lights.
Set.
Ground spoilers.
Set off.
Engine mode selector.
Check normal.
Flaps.
Check retracted.
TCAS.
Checked. Stand by.
Brake temperature.
Checked.
APU.
On.
Checklist complete.
Number 633 taxi. JetBlue 633, runway 22 left. Taxi via Alpha November, cross runway 15 right, hold short, runway 15 left. To left via Alpha November, cross 15 right, short of 15 left, JetBlue 633 at Bravo, give way to a twin Cessna, please. Bravo, give way to the twin Cessna, JetBlue 633. 22, you see a JetBlue off your left, November, gives way to you. Ground Cactus 225, rated taxi. Cactus 225, ready runway 22 right, taxi via Echo, Alpha, November, cross runway 15 right, hold short, runway 15 left. 22 right, Echo, Alpha, November, cross 15 right, hold short, and 15 left, Cactus 225. And 537 is clearing here at Echo for gate Alpha 6. United 537, Echo straight into the gate. 225, turn right at Echo 2, join Kilo, Kilo Alpha November, same hold short instruction.
Roger, Echo 2, Kilo November. November,
You're 3187, give way to United, and then turn left on Alpha, taxi via Alpha, Lima, runway 15 right, hold short of November.
Alright, give away to United, we'll go Alpha Lima, and then on the 15 right, short of November, Brickyard at 31.
Ground, Lufthansa 423 Heavy, request taxi.
Lufthansa 423 Heavy, Monster Ground, Roger. Runway 22 left, taxi via Lima, Bravo, November, cross runway 15 right, hold short, runway 15 left.
Lufthansa 423 Heavy, for runway 22 left, we are Lima, Bravo, November, cross runway 15 right, and 15 left.
Just 849 Boston Ground, taxi via Bravo, Alpha 1.
Oh, Alpha 1, thank you, 849.
Lufthansa 423 Heavy, cross runway 15 right, hold short, runway 15 left.
We confirm, crossing runway 15 right, hold short runway 15 left, Lufthansa 423, and just to be sure, we don't need to contact ramp here, right?
That is correct. Care 22, cross runway 15 left, monitor tower 12818.
Cross 15 left, direction 188.
That was a nice flight. So let's do the parking checklist and then we're done for the day.
Parking brake and chocks.
And the chocks are set. Parking brakes released.
Engine master.
Both off.
Seatbelt signs.
Set off.
Beacon lights.
Set off.
Exterior lights.
Set off.
Anti-ice.
Off.
Fuel pumps.
Set off.
Checklist complete.